stop and watch me wax my lip. I'm so scared. Okay, I'm gonna clean that area first. Clean handy dandy wax stick. Okay. Can't see. This is really crazy. Like, I done just ran out now. And I'll be feeling like my husband be looking. He be saying, I don't see nothing. You alive. You do see something. I just want to make sure it's all over him. Mind your business. My friend right here. I don't have a mirror, just the one I'm holding in my hand. So I'm like, kind of doing this with blindly. Ooh! Ooh! Look at that. That's terrible. Fold this. I'm in my feelings real bad. I want to cry. This is just going. Ooh! Them little hairs and pieces I don't know on here. Not them catfish whiskers. They can't stay. Y'all know. Oh, wait. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, baby. Because it do. Every time. Oh, well, it looks so much better. Wax residue removal oil. Oh, this up. Then I'm going to do some aloe soothing gel. Soothing gel. Again. Okay. If you want to watch me wax my brows tomorrow, please tune in tomorrow morning on my YouTube channel. I did share a screenshot, and my YouTube link is in my bio. Peace out.